I'm Dr. Thompson with the Zero Debt College Project. My daughter, Tamia Thompson, is the reason why we started this program. She is now a graduating senior from Howard University. Go Bisons. This is homecoming week. I'm sure she's out having a ball. And she's graduating debt-free. How about that? So what we did a long time ago is we figured out some strategies for college. And when she graduated from high school in Little Elm, Texas, class of 2020, she had over 10 million in merit scholarship offers. So I'm going to share with you some strategies all along the way, all throughout this blog. Every week on Thursday, check in. You'll see there's new scholarship strategies and always new scholarship listings. It's very important that you find scholarships, but what's more important is that you have a strategy for locating the ones that we consider low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit are those scholarships that are near you and that few people would qualify for. And so when you apply, you have a better chance of getting them. So what you see on the screen right now is a scholarship strategy using Eventbrite. So what you're going to do is in the Google search string bar, you're going to type in Eventbrite and you're going to type in the word scholarship and you're going to put in the area of the country that you live in. And then as you can see, I put in Dallas and I saw lots of different opportunities here. And what we want to do is maybe scroll down and see if there's something that interests you. So for example, this past year, there was a 41st annual MLK Scholarship Awards Gala. All right, so that means that there's going to be a 42nd. Exactly. All right, so what you want to do when you get here is kind of scroll down, see who were the organizers of this event, and reach out to them. You want to reach out, find out who did they award with the scholarship, what were the qualifications, and maybe you can be the person to win next year. And so you just want to go through each event, see who the organizers were, and that will help you to locate scholarships that are low-hanging fruit, and that will help you to win. Here's another example that happened in Fort Worth. This is from February 2022, but typically scholarship fundraisers are annual events. So if they did it one year, they're going to probably do it again. And they're not always going to publicize low-hanging fruit scholarships or local scholarships. They're not always going to publicize. So you want to go back, even if it was a couple of years, and see who were the organizers and always reach back out to them. So in this case, you can see that the organizer was a golf tournament, and it was the location was the Bear Creek Golf Club. And you can see that there's places here for you to reach out, sign up for this year's Fort Worth Post-Government Industry Day at the University of Texas, Arlington. So you want to see if there's any email address here, and there we go. We looked up ammccullough@cmg.com. So you want to reach out to that person, see if you can't get some information about this year's scholarship, because if they raise the money, they've got to award the money, okay? Good luck on your scholarship search. Remember, you cannot miss every scholarship. All you can miss are deadlines, and always apply. Rooting for everybody.